The word persistence is derived from words meaning to abide, to continue moving forward, while also serving as an expression of standing still, perhaps best understood as a willful determination of character committed to standing strong even in the winds of adversity. Which is why today we generally use the word persistence to refer to enduring devotion to a pursuit even in the face of difficulties. Without persistence, we lack the discipline to follow through with meaningful pursuits. And yet, when you are persistent, you demonstrate the will and tenacity to follow through and endure unto the end. The question becomes, how are you demonstrating persistence in your life?